Hi guys, in this video I will demonstrate you configuring multiple DHCP servers on a single router. For demonstration purpose, I have added two switches over here and added some devices to them. So for switch 1 I have added 3 PCs, for switch 2 I have added 3 laptops. For initial demonstration, I have used Class B IP addresses. For network one, I have used 172.17.0.1 0.0 series IP addresses, and for switch 2, I have used 172.18 series IP address. So for initial configuration, first of all, I have to configure default gateway of these networks. So for network 1, default gateway IP address is 172.17.0.1. So I have to configure this IP address to gigabyte port 0/0/0, and 172.18.0.1 is default gateway for network 2, and I have to configure this IP address over gigabyte port 0/0/0/1. So let's configure these IP addresses at router interfaces. I don't want to configure this router, so I just simply enter no over here. Now I am in user mode. I have to enter in privilege mode. Now I have to enter in configuration mode. Now I have to enter IP addresses to both interfaces of this router. So first one is 0/0/0, and its IP address is 172.17.0.1. Similarly, I have to configure IP address for second interface. IP address for second interface is 172.18.0.1. So now I have configured IP address for both interfaces of router. Now I have to configure DHCP server over here. So first of all, I have to create a DHCP pool over here. So I have to enter the command. So I have to enter command over here, that is IP DHCP pool and its name. So I am using pool name as P1. Now I have to mention network ID over here. So network ID for first network is 172.17.0.0. Now I have to mention subnet mask also, that is 255.255.0.0. Now I have to mention gateway for this network, that is default gateway, sorry, default router, that is 172.17.0.1. Now I have to configure DNS server also. So I have entered Google IP address for DNS. So this is my network one configuration, or my first DHCP pool. Now I have to configure second DHCP pool. So network ID for second network is 172.18.0.0 and default router is 172.18.0.1. DNS server is same. So I have configured two DHCP servers on a single router. Now I have to check whether I am able to get IP addresses at my end devices or not. So first of all, I have to do one more thing. I have to on my these ports also, or these interface router interfaces also. So I have to enter no shutdown command over here. So first of all, I have to select interface, gigabyte Ethernet port 0/0/0 or enter, and enter no shutdown command. Similarly, I have to enter no shutdown command for second interface also. So now my both interfaces are now in on state. Now I can check whether I am able to give IP address to end devices or not. So let press forward over here. Now click on PC0, click on fast Ethernet port, select DHCP. So you can view over here, I got 172.17.0.2 as a IP address. I can confirm default gateway also. So that is also same. That is 172.17.0.1 and DNS server is 8.8.8.8. Similarly, you can select other PCs also. So I got my default gateway over here, that is 172.17.0.1 and my IP address is 172.17.0.3. Now I have to check for second network. So this laptop got address of series 18, that is 172.18.0.2. So this laptop also got this 18 series IP address and its default gateway is 172.18.0.1. Similarly, we can confirm this thing from other laptops also. So for this laptop, I got default gateway as 172.18.0.1 and its IP address is 172.18.0.3. So you can view that all end devices got IP addresses from their respective DHCP servers. So the question comes in our mind, how these devices know that particularly this address is going to configure on them. So this thing got configured on the basis of this gateway only, because we have mentioned gateway in every DHCP pool. So on the basis of that DHCP entry, on the basis of that gateway entry, these devices got their respective IP addresses. Hopefully you enjoy this lecture. Thank you.